guys, welcome back to BA Adventures.
Hi.
So today we are
at Whitewater, Branson, Missouri.
So come with us. Okay, so we are at Whitewater like we said, and it is our first trip here together, but it is my first time ever here, but Ash hasn't been since she was little.
Yeah.
So tell us a little bit about this place.
So it's 13 acres of waterfront with slides, lazy river, wave pool.
And it is one of the top water parks
of America.
In America.
Yes.
Yeah.
So the wave pool actually has 500,000 gallons of water.
And that's right behind us.
So we're excited to get in.
Yes, we are. So we haven't been here. We don't really quite have a plan, but other than we're trying to show you guys what's here, and maybe you guys can experience all this with us. So anyway, we are gonna figure out what we're gonna do first. We're gonna find out if we can take the camera on some rides. Well, attractions. I don't know if they're really rides or slides.
Slides.
Yeah, so we're gonna go find that out, and we'll get back to you. So see you guys when we go to wherever our first thing is that we're going to do. All right, so our first slide that we're going to go on is called the Pipeline Plunge. So we'll let you know how it is when we get off of there. Okay, so we've come to an executive decision. We're gonna ride Pipeline Plunge, then shoot over to Ohana Falls because they're both here in the same spot. And then here to the left is Waikiki Wave. But we're gonna walk up here, I'm gonna show you Ohana Falls, and then we'll let you know how all three rides are afterwards. And this here is Ohana Plunge. Takes you through, you get into a giant raft. As you can see, it brings the rafts back up here. And you go all the way down and end up all the way down there at the bottom.
All the stairs to go back
and
up.
all the stairs come all the way back up. But there's also a cutoff down there to the side. So we will let you guys know how these are afterwards. There we go. Just got off all three slides. First off, Pipeline Plunge. What'd you think of that one?
It was fun. It's like a good beginner.
It is a nice little good beginner. It goes kind of fast. You like the side-to-side movements on the thing? So it was good. It was a tube ride. All of these are tube rides actually that we went on. So Ohana Falls.
So there's two different ones. There's one.
No. Ohana Falls is the big one.
Oh, okay.
Ohana Falls is the big one where we
I
were
like that one.
Raft.
It's fun unless you're like going backwards the whole time.
Yeah, she went backwards the whole time. And so it was a lot of fun. And then there is this one here, Waikiki Falls.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, Waikiki Wave. Waikiki Wave. So we went down the blue one first, which was a complete tube, totally dark, and part of the way through you have a little bounce and a drop in there, so that was kind of fun.
I got scared.
And it's fast.
Completely black.
And it's fast. And then we got into the white one, which is a lot slower.
But there's openings.
There are little openings. If you can see it up there.
Down.
There's a little wave coming off. Yeah. So anyway, we're gonna go grab us some tacos, and we'll let you know how that food is then. So highly recommend all of these rides so far. We're having a good time. So see you guys when we go grab food. We've made it to Hula Hula Taco, an island favorite, and it says that we can choose any two of carnitas, grilled chicken, fresh seasoned ground beef, or steak. And you can even build your own nachos or build your own burrito bowl. So this is exciting. So we'll let you guys know what we get. Okay, so I elected to go with the build your own nachos. I put steak, sour cream, which is an extra 99 cents, which I think is strange. Cheese, jalapenos, lettuce, and salsa. Ash went with pico de gallo instead, and black olives, and no jalapenos. So Ash, you go ahead and take a bite.
Oh, and mine's a burrito bowl.
Yeah, hers is a burrito bowl. Sorry. Hers is not nachos. Is it good?
I like it.
I'm gonna add a little bit of everything into mine.
I just had nachos last night, so that's why. Normally I would be all about nachos.
They're pretty good.
Good.
This is a lot of food. I didn't realize that there was this much food.
It is a lot of food. But I will say it was a little pricier than what I thought it was going to be.
I agree. But
with our meals and one soda is like $37. So you're paying theme park prices.
You are.
It's not bad food though, I will say that, and it's a lot.
No, but
I feel like 2 people could eat this.
Yeah, that's what I was about to say. I feel like 2 of us could eat this. We kind of went off our beaten path like we normally do of sharing, but we also aren't staying here like a long time like we did with Universal and those other places. So anyway,
there are other options here to eat at. There was like a barbecue pizza place, and then the tacos is kind of, I've seen like 2 restaurants here.
yeah, well, there is a main one which is right next to the taco one.
Right.
It's actually right there behind Ash.
It's got burgers.
It's got your typical burgers and hot dogs and things like, I think it has hot dogs. So
the hot dog was $10.
the hot dog was $10. Wow.
No, that's a regular hot dog though. It was like Frank's Nathan hot dog. So I don't know if
Those are
like
2 different brands.
Oh, is it?
Frank's and Nathan are 2 different.
Wait, so I'm sorry, it is a Nathan's then.
It's a Nathan's hot dog.
Yeah. So I don't
I
know if
bet
it's
you.
like a foot long.
It better be a foot long if it's going to be $10.
This steak is really good though. Actually, I'm really surprised by
It
how
doesn't
good this
look
is.
like steak though, so it's kind of. It looks more like pulled pork, which is a little disappointing to me.
But it's good.
It
I'm
does
not
taste good.
complaining.
It does taste good. So
For
we're going to
spicy.
enjoy our food, and then we will go and get on the lazy river, maybe.
I love the lazy river.
Yeah, I know. So we'll go get on that afterwards. So see you then. All right, we've made it to the Aloha River, which is the lazy river, and we're gonna go take a couple laps. So we will bring you guys along. So we've gotten out of the lazy river.
I love a lazy river. Like, it's just fun.
It is fun. I really enjoyed it too. I think that the little spray fountains, I kept throwing ash into those, so it was kind of funny.
Yeah.
So, but anyway, we've made our way over here to the Kalani Towers, and we're gonna do the mat racers.
Yes.
We're not gonna do the drop slide. We're not really big into drop slides. And then after this,
Okay, he's not very big into them.
that's true. But after this, we're gonna go do those one of the trap door slides, which Ash really isn't into. So we will see you after we ride the Kalani mat racers. So the Kalani mat racers, they were a ton of fun. I won, of course, because you know I'm fast. But hey, may have to turn that into a challenge next summer. What do you think?
Maybe.
All right, so we're gonna go over to the Cacao Plummet. Ash is excited.
I don't like free fall drops. It's the anticipation of the drop that scares me the most. Being in the tube and like there's no way out, and they're just like you're just sitting there or standing there until you plummet to your doom. That's what scares me.
Well,
wish me luck.
this is gonna be fun. So here we are at the Cacao Plummet, and Ash, are you ready?
Yeah.
She sounds so excited. This is gonna be fun.
My heart's racing.
See you guys after. All right, so what'd you think of the slides?
I hate it. I'm never gonna like them. That's the problem.
So they were not as intense as the ones at Volcano Bay.
Yes.
But they were a lot of fun. I enjoyed them.
Sure. If you like the free fall slides, you're gonna love this. I hate them, so I'm never gonna say yes, but I'll ride it because I'm dragged on it. So
she drugged me on Falcon's Fury.
also true. So this is payback.
So anyway, we've really enjoyed our time here, so that's going to end it for us today, and we hope you guys really enjoyed seeing what Whitewater has to offer and joining us on our trip. We do recommend coming here if you're wanting to have a little bit of some thrill, get a little wet, you know,
cool down in the summer.
Cool down in the summertime. This place is perfect for that. So, and you can also double it with your season pass and get unlimited visits.
With
Silver Dollar City, yeah. So they're both like a sister kind of company. So, but we really enjoyed ourselves. We really liked the food. We really liked the lazy river. We really liked the slides. It was a lot of fun. Now, don't come here expecting it to be huge.
No, it's 13 acres, and that sounds like a lot to the city folk like me. But it is a smaller water park, so it's nothing major. But
and it's great for kids, like a little introductory park for younger kids to get used to going to water parks.
Right.
Like if you have a trip planned to Volcano Bay and you're taking your kids with you, this is the perfect introductory water park. So anyway, with that being said, don't miss out on any of our adventures by hitting that like button, that subscribe button, and that
bell notification button,
so that you guys don't miss any of it. And with that,
bring on the next adventure.
Bye guys.